Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript top 40 one-liners that every developer must know. In today's episode, we are going to check if a value is an object. More often when you work with enterprise applications or complex applications, the data storage that we do are objects. And when we are processing or applying our logic on those particular variables, which happen to be objects or not, we definitely need to check if a value is an object. That's where today's one-liner will help you. Let's get started. This is part 6 of the series. If you have missed out on the previous episodes, make sure that you go through them in order to have continuity to your learning, and also hit that like button if you're enjoying this series. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to close this and create a file, js40 part6.html. Alright, quickly throw in the HTML script tags. Okay, so we are checking if a value is null or a type of object, right? One of the most classic use cases. So again, you can write a function which can do that, or you can directly do a check. So let's say, right? So this is some object. Okay, so this is my object. Now what we'll do is check if it's so here you can say my object is equal to null. If it is null, and if it is not null, right? Basically, if it should have a value. So we'll say it if it is not null and type of my object is equal to. Now this is where you'll write object, okay, and that should check for us. So I'm going to take it in a result. Let's run it. Open it in any browser of your choice and open the inspect console log, and it says it's true. That means it has a value and it is of type object. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll fail that. So first let's pass empty object. It is still true because it's an object. Now I'm passing null, so now it says it's false. Now I'm passing a number, it's still false. I'm passing boolean, it's still fixed, right? So that's the way you check if the object is not null and is of type object, by writing type of my object, right? So the other way is to basically type of will tell you what type of data type it is. In this case, it's an object. Okay, that's how we are checking. I hope this was a quick tutorial, and I hope you're enjoying. In the next episode, I'm going to bring more. We are going to cover top 40 ones. Today we are at episode 6. We'll continue this series. Please do hit that like button for me to keep encouraging. Join me in the next part. We'll go over part 7. Thank you.